Oh, let me do it. Hey guys, what's going on back here at the shop? We're here with the homies, and so we're going to go ahead and unbox the Arrma EXB, the Talion 6S BLX. Now, as you guys know, this doesn't come out until, what's the release date again?
23rd.
The 23rd of this month. So they're not allowed for sale at the shop. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox it and take a quick look and see this new RC car in all of this glorious faction. Now, this one was made to look like a truggy. That's what it is. Yeah, this one was made to look like a truggy. So I actually love the low ride look. Not so much sure if it's the body or the car, but we'll take a look at it right now. Sweet. And how much is this one retailing for?
$729.
$729. So okay, not bad.
That's the full option. Every upgrade you can get for it is already on it.
Oh, nice. No electronics?
No, it's full.
Oh, it's full.
Everything's in there.
Yeah, because I know the previous BLX versions or EXBs that they released didn't have any electronics.
They started offering these like this with this and the Outcast 6S.
Yeah, I gotta love that new RC car smell. Ah, soak it up. All right, this is the standard packaging it comes with. You got your gears, your diffs, differentials, your manual plastic pieces and stuff. We don't need all that right now, so let's just set that aside. All right, and there's the car in its full glory. Definitely looks like a truggy. Doesn't bottom out. Being sick. What are your thoughts on it?
Definitely a lot higher than what it used to.
You think so?
Oh yeah. So they put all the EXB parts on it. Center braces, shock towers, diffs.
Chassis.
Yeah, definitely a different chassis.
Yeah, it looks like the battery mount and everything is still the same. All waterproof components. Front bumper.
The front bumper, that's new.
Nice and slick for the time being.
So what, these go in the used box?
Gotta love Arrma, man. Looks like is this here so you can add some additional, like a fan?
Additional fan, here's your extra plug for it. So you don't have to wire it all the way up to your receiver. Actually not bad.
No, no, it
Shocks
doesn't.
feel
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah, look at that. And it looks like they added an additional piece.
Oh, they've always had that.
Oh yeah, yeah. You know what? You're right. But it looks different though. This isn't like the one like on the Creighton.
No, the Creighton's different because the body sits higher.
Right.
New body. They did a good job on that one.
Well, let me take a look here at the front. So this is $729 with tax. Is there any difference between this and some of the other ones? Different color, different?
No, the EXB, they're always going to be the black edition. But the biggest upgrades are the differentials, the new safety pit, input shafts for the diff. That's all new. New bumper, way stronger arms, but now all the V5s have these. So.
Are these equivalent or stronger to RPM?
Well, about the same. They have a lot of giveness to them.
That's sick. All waterproof electronics here. That's already custom, what you guys would expect with Arrma. Yeah, water resistant. I'm used to the word waterproof.
Into the pool.
Yeah, I'm used to the word waterproof, but yeah, this is water resistant. And where's the controller?
Yeah, it comes with the smart stuff.
Ah, there it is. I was like, wait a minute, something's missing here.
DX3 smart controller.
Wow, perfect. So this one should automatically come with telemetry, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. As you guys know, I did a video showcasing the telemetry for Horizon Hobby, so check out that video if you've never played around with the telemetry settings. So the telemetry module goes here, and I believe those are selling, what did I say the last video? $24, $12, something like that. Yeah, so this is where the telemetry sensor goes, right there. And I know previously Arrma did have an issue that was corrected a couple months ago. I haven't gotten around to it for a video. They did have an issue with the telemetry, but I did talk to one of the main guys over there, and they did fix that. So if you guys are looking to invest in telemetry right now, it's now a good option or a good time to go ahead and invest. And this is probably one of the cheapest telemetry, well, I don't want to say cheapest, but the most inexpensive way to go with telemetry right now is you hook it up with your mobile app and everything here, because all the wires and everything are already built into the ESC, which is really phenomenal. And if you guys are familiar with how they were doing telemetry with Traxxas originally, you had to buy a module for every different setting, speed and heat, and, you know, the temperature and stuff. So really convenient to have everything already built into the ESC, sending the signal back to the radio. So check out my previous Arrma video for that, my Arrma Felony. But I love it. I like it. Has all the good EXB parts on here. July 23rd is the release date for this, fellas. Definitely pick it up, pre-order. Are all the ones you guys have here, are they already spoken for, or you still okay? So make sure you guys check out your local hobby dealer. They should have some in stock right now, but remember the release date is 3 or 4 days from now. Honest, what do you think about it compared to maybe the Creighton or some of the other cars out there?
Seems to be really well built. Definitely good for going fast in the dirt. 70 miles an hour.
How do you think this one compares to the previous EXB from Arrma? I know that there are two different models of Creighton in this one, but
Creighton's going to be more for bashing. You can actually hit jumps and go crazy. This one's more for racing.
Okay. Yeah, a friend of mine introduced me to Truggies about 10 years ago, and I just love the low center of gravity look.
Yeah, same with me. It's what I used to have the reloads.
Yeah. But obviously, I believe these will be built stronger, much better than the Revos. I just love that long wingspan, and then of course with the body coming down a little bit, definitely takes away from a little bit of that wind. But it's not as clunky. I know a lot of the bodies for some of the previous models, you know, even though it has a low center of gravity, the body really sticks up, but this is just low center of gravity all the way around. Good wing here. And one of the things I love about Arrma and their wings is that they're not a cheap plastic to where if you do a few jumps and take a hit, where it's just breaking off in a little bit, you know, little bitty pieces. But this thing is sturdy. Like it could take a really nice solid hit. This looks new, even though you may have it on previous different models. This looks a little different here to give that extra body some support. But all in all, it's a well-built vehicle. For those of you looking at getting into the RC hobby. And so aside from that, keep in mind, if you did get a Arrma Creighton EXB, roughly the same type of build, that doesn't come with any electronics, and that runs you about, I think, what, $500 for the Arrma EXB, the Creighton, whereas this one is running you about $729 with everything that you can possibly upgrade already built onto the truck. And I don't believe, well, even with that one, this one comes with electronics, but even that one doesn't come with electronics. So keep in mind, you are getting a telemetry rating system that comes along with it. I don't know the price of the ESC and the radio off the top of my head as a standalone, but that's a nice little pickup there. You got your plates here to keep the dirt out. Definitely love that. Wrench, bash, repeat. You know, a few months ago, I was running my Felony, not my Felony, but my Creighton, and I took it to the park. It's completely dirty. I was like, man, you know, I hate messing up my RC cars like that, you know, because I still like them looking nice. Put a little Dawn on it, you know, just, and because the car is water resistant, just took the water hose and washed all the dirt off. Like literally, you couldn't tell like it was, like I sent it through a baseball diamond. But yeah, I have a video of that up. You guys can check it out. But yeah, a little Dawn and everything, have it looking brand new again. 729 fellas has all the custom parts you guys would love to expect on an Arrma EXB model. So definitely check it out at your local hobby dealer. Remember again, this is available July 23rd. All right, this is Diekin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video review. I'll catch you guys later. Like and subscribe. And again, this is a hobby channel, so make sure you check out all my other content that you may find interesting if it appeals to you. Definitely like and share it. You can also check out my private Facebook group, Diekin Hobbies, on Facebook. We're back in the saddle. We just finished the 4th of July season with fireworks, so here we go with the RCs. Later, guys. Hope you enjoy.